this is Candace with smartmomblogger.com, and today I'm going to show you how to create a free logo for your blog. Now, when you're just starting out your new blog, I know how tempting it is to go down that rabbit hole of trying to, figure out your design and your logo and your branding. But I would urge you not to spend a lot of time on this in the beginning. Now, I would say to start, just get a basic free theme if you're on a budget that is organized and looks decent. And then you can create your own logo. I'm going to show you how to do it really easily to create a good looking logo. And then as you grow your blog, as you start to figure things out and get your rhythm going, maybe you start making a little bit of money, then you can invest in hiring somebody to do the logo for you, or, create a branded look for your blog or something like that. But I say don't spend a lot of time on that in the beginning. Focus your time on the tasks that are going to have a direct impact on the growth of your blog. And that is creating amazing content, growing your email list, and figuring out how you are going to monetize your blog. And we'll talk about that in other videos. But today, let's create a free logo for your blog. And this is going to be a good looking logo. This is not going to be a cheesy DIY logo that you're trying to do in Word or something, because if you don't have graphic design experience, a DIY logo can go wrong very easily. So this is a logo I just created for my friend's blog, and I did it really easily, and I'm going to show you how right now. So go over to canva.com. It's a free tool. If you don't have an account already, just sign up, canva.com for free. And they have a bunch. It's basically an image creation tool. You can create social media graphics or blog graphics really easily. You can see these are some that I've already created in the past. But click on, once you sign up, you're going to be here. This is your kind of main dashboard. Just click more. And they have a bunch of pre-designed layouts and dimensions and graphics. So I would just say choose one that has the basic layout that you want for your logo. Today we're going to do this because it's a square logo, and that's what we're going to use for our example. But if you wanted something more landscape, like that's longer than it is tall, then choose something more like this. If you scroll down, there's a bunch more to choose from. But just to keep things simple, we're going to choose this square one. And that one says, just to go back, it says Instagram post because those are pre-designed as squares. But you can also use this, use your own custom dimensions. But just to keep it easy, I would just say click on one of these that has the basic, layout that you want or dimensions that you want. So here you're going to see a bunch of pre-designed images if you wanted to use them for Instagram. But we're not using an Instagram post today. We're designing a logo. So you're going to click over here on text. And if you were going to just write text on your logo, you can click on any of these and, create it. But we're not going to do that either. I just wanted to kind of show you what you can do here. There's a lot of possibilities. It's a really cool tool for a lot of different things. But for the logo trick, so you're going to scroll down here in this text area. You're going to see a bunch of pre-designed logos. And you can use these as badges or whatever else you want to use them for. But these are some really great looking logos. And the really cool thing about this is that you don't have to worry about trying to make it look good. These have all already been pre-designed by professional skilled graphic designers in Canva. So they all look good. I mean, look at this one, super cute. You can change, the font, the color. I really like that one. Those are more text-based, or you can come down here and get one that's more badge-based, and this is kind of what we're going to do today. So I'm going to choose this one here, and the first thing I'm going to do, as you can see, is the text. We're going to change it because this is not the text that we want, so you just click on the area that you want to change. Oops. So this is like I said, I'm doing this this is just a sample. It's a friend's blog of mine. Or friend of mine's blog. And then we're going to click on here. You can see it kind of is just smart. It changes the size of the text to make it work. We're going to change this to capital, and I want to change the color to white. When you get into Canva, you'll see you'll get to play around with this and really see the capabilities of it. And then I'm going to change that to caps as well. I'm going to change the color to white, and I'm going to see if I can make it a little bit bigger. Yeah. Okay, so there you go. I'm going to change the color because I think hers is more of a lavender. So you can choose one of these, pre-default palette, whatever, or you can click on here and create, do any color you want to do. So we're just actually going to go with this one. And then I'm also going to stretch it out because instead you don't want all this extra padding on the sides here because it's going to look weird when you upload it to your site. So just drag it out like this until it's almost to the edge. That way you don't have a bunch of padding. And that is it. That is your logo. So you're going to, if it says unsaved changes, I just go like this. I toggle this back and forth and it changes it to all changes saved. And then you just download it to your computer, download it as a ping. It's going to save to your computer, and then go into your blog, into your theme, and upload this logo. It's going to save as a ping file. Upload it to your blog wherever you're supposed to upload your logo to. That's going to depend on which theme you're using or which design you're using for your blog, but you get to just basically upload your logo right there. Done. And it looks great. And they have all of these that you can choose from. There's just dozens and dozens of them. So, and so I would recommend doing this instead of trying to hack your way and make it, a good looking design. If you don't have design experience, just don't waste your time doing it. You're going to come up with something that looks a little funky. And then down the line, as I said, as you grow your blog, you can, outsource this and get a really great looking brand going on for your blog. But to start, do it free. And that's it. If you guys have any questions, let me know. And we're going to talk a lot more about other tricks that you can do to grow your blog in upcoming videos. All right, thanks. Talk soon.